first question would be, how's your journey been with Enjoy Cooking Oil so far?
Oh, fabulous. They've taken me all around Sri Lanka. I've been started from Koheda, Arachi Kattuwa, Madampe, Pataneriya, ඊට පස්සේ වෙලිගම මාතර ගෝල් බේරුවල ජැෆ්නා ට්‍රින්කෝ වවුනියා බැටි No, Colombo තමයි ඉස්සෙල්ලා start කරේ. So basically gone all around town and gotten to know more about Enjoy. Met a lot of consumers, customers, dealers, and just gotten to know more about Enjoy whilst enjoying myself. Nice, huh?
One more question. So what made you come on board with Enjoy?
Okay. So basically, I got a call from Adam Chilukmanji office, and then they were asking me if I would like to come on board to be the brand ambassador for Enjoy. And I was telling them, any which case, I'm already using the oil at home because my grandmother used to use it. And force of habit, I guess my mother also started using it. And now my mother's back in India. So again, force of habit, even I started using Enjoy coconut oil. It's only when I started an association with the company, with the brand, with the product, I realized the goodness and the greatness of coconut oil. I was using it because it was tasty. The food is tasty, and everybody knows coconut oil is good for health. Okay, but it's only after my association with them, like as a family member, I started working and running and basically living with the brand. I realized how beautiful, how good the oil is. Like I got to know more details about it. So yeah.
Can you share more details as to what are the real benefits of Enjoy Cooking Oil, so everybody will understand?
I'm sure quite a few of my friends here are already using coconut oil. Shall we ask them who knows the benefits of coconut oil? Nanga, you know, darling. Coconut oil benefits. Good for the skin, for sure. Apura, what else? Now basically, this is how it is, right? So coconut oil, you have a whole bunch of coconut oils in the market. But proud to say that Enjoy coconut oil is the only coconut oil in the market with the SLS certification. So obviously you don't get an SLS certification unless and until your oil is good and made of good superior quality. That's one. Second thing, it's 100% natural. They don't put chemicals, they don't treat it chemically, where usually what happens when you do that, the nutrition value of it goes down. So they preserve the original natural aroma, they preserve the original taste, and they preserve the original color of the oil. Usually what happens is if you bleach the oil, the golden color, naturally coconut oil is golden in color, but when you bleach it, it gets lighter and lighter. So people think the lighter the oil, the better it is. No. I mean, if you want the original, if you want the most natural, then you'll have to look for the golden color in coconut oil. That's one. And then coconut oil, anyway, people know that it has good cholesterol and not bad cholesterol. It has lauric acid in it. So basically a whole lot of things. And so basically, when I look at my grandparents, my granddad lived up to 100. And every day of his life, all 3 meals, he would eat red rice, drink a lot of hot water, and every meal was cooked with coconut oil. So you know that it's good for health just by looking at their life, because my grandparents didn't have diabetes, they didn't have blood pressure, they didn't have what else? Heart-related issues, they didn't have any of these issues, right? So I know that they've eaten right, they've eaten proper, good, genuine, clean, pure products and vegetables or whatever, I mean in the market, what's available in the market. So that's the reason why I would rather use not just oil, anything in life. I would rather use anything that's organic, anything that's natural, anything that's not chemically treated, and something that will keep me healthy. Because at the end of the day, with health, I can work and earn more money and I can do a whole lot of things. Without health, I'm nothing. So my health is number one for me. So that's why I choose to not just use Enjoy coconut oil. I choose to talk about this oil and the greatness of this oil because it's good. And I know at least I'm giving something. I mean, when I speak to somebody, I'm not lying about something. I'm speaking the truth.
One last question. If you have a message for our audience, what would it be?
A message. Basically, I mean, for me, it's always message is always about love, because love means happiness and joy, and all of that is all possible when you have good health. You need to be healthy in life. I mean, People think it's all about money. People think it's, the bigger the house, the bigger the car that I have, I'm going to be happy. Not at all. The best health you have, if you are in the best prime of your health, you're the happiest person because you're able to face any challenge. You're able to overcome stress. You're able to overcome a whole lot of things and work better and have a more meaningful and a fruitful life. Not just for you, for your family and for your kids and for your parents and in your workforce, in your workplace. So it's basically health. So my wish for everybody is like the best of health for the rest of your life, because I think that's the most important wish that I could ever wish for all of you. So God bless you all with the best of health. And yes, amongst the best of health products you have enjoyed Pirisudu Sudu Poltel. Pirisudu Sudu Poltel. Sudu Poltel කියලා ඒ කියන්නේ දන්නවද? දන්නේ නැහැ මං කියලා දෙන්න ඔයාලට. දැන් මිනිස්සු හිතනවා පිරිසිදු සුදු පොල්තෙල් කියලා කියනකොට පොල්තෙල් තියෙන්න ඕනේ සුදු පාට කියලා. හැබැයි නියම නැචරල් පොල්තෙල් තියෙන්නේ රන්වන් පාටයි. හරිද? හැබැයි පිරිසිදු සුදු පොල්තෙල් කියලා කියන්නේ පිරිසිදු සුදු කොප්‍රා වලින් හදන නිසා. So basically the product, the oil, you get oil from copra. A lot of people think that you get oil from coconut. You get virgin coconut oil from coconut. Have a normal cooking oil, you get it from copra. So copra is, coconut is dried, made into copra. So when the Enjoy company buys coconut from the farmers, they buy the best grade. You have 9 grades of copra. They buy the highest, the first grade of copra, and then they dry it, and then they crush it, and then they settle it down for a good 29 days. And the top part of the oil is the one that's bottled and first sold in Sri Lanka. And after the best part is sold in Sri Lanka, they send the rest of it abroad. So we are getting the best of the best, right? So our Pirisudu Sudu Poltel කියලා කියන්නේ සුදු කොප්‍රා පිරිසිදු සුදු කොප්‍රා පාවිච්චි කරන නිසා තමයි පිරිසිදු සුදු පොල්තෙල් කියලා කියන්නේ. මාළිට තේරුණාද? තේරුණා.
So anyone who wants to take pictures with Pooja, she's available. Any questions with anyone? You want to ask any question of it? Don't ask her about movie.
Don't ask me about the movie and don't ask me about biryani recipes and all. Sometimes people ask, how do you make Indian Hyderabadi biryani? And I'm like, that you should ask my father, because I'm going to start. My dad's in town. Farzana, my dad's in town. Yeah? So then I told him, I said, then now api then videos karamo, api Hyderabadi dum biryani, aloo paratha, gobi manchuri, whatever. My dad's a real good cook and he sings well, okay? So I told him, api Sindhu kiyo api uya bho kiyala. So ekat තමයි අපි ලෑස්ති වෙන්නේ. And so I need a big box of Enjoy Pirisudu Sudu Poltel at home. Anyway, so that's the thing. Yes, Mal. Any questions? People, I know some of them asked when are we going to distribute cutlets here. So I guess during the break time, you'll give me some time to distribute some cutlets made with Enjoy coconut oil. Okay, fabulous. Thank you guys. Enjoy the show. What time are we starting? Is it time to start the movie? 4:50? We have 9 more minutes. No, yeah, 9 more minutes. Okay, so till such time we're going to take some pictures? Yes, okay, thank you. How many of you, sorry, one more question. How many of you are already using Enjoy coconut oil? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, not that. Okay, so all the ammis here. All these ammis are already using coconut oil. Okay, so how many of you have actually seen the commercial? Have you all seen the commercial, Nangi? You've seen the commercial. Nanga, have you seen the commercial, Baba? Nanga, have you seen the commercial? Enjoy commercial, then Kada? Ah, right, Hari. So people have seen the commercial, I think. So basically, oh, you're going to show it again inside? I didn't know that, Hari. Because I had loads of fun shooting it because there's so much of information. Pirisudu Sudu Poltel, Ranwan Patai, SLS Sahatikiya Tiyana, Me Poltel, Iti Passe, Me, the goodness of coconut oil. Like a shoot karna koda, I learned a lot, so it was fabulous. Thank you, Malla. I'm going to go and take some photographs. Aisha. Mike. You want the mic? Put it in the mic. You want the mic, baby? Come here, darling. What are you going to say? What do you want to say? You want to sing a song? Okay, sing a song. Start. What's your favorite song? Which one? Baba Black Sheep? Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3, go.
Baba Black Sheep,
Lane. Which lane do you live down? What's your house address? Where do you stay, Baba? In Colombo? Or in Chennai? In Bangalore? Are you from Sri Lanka or are you from India? Where are you from? Sri Lanka. My baby boy is from Sri Lanka. You want to say anything else on the mic? What else? Tell everybody. Say enjoy. Enjoy. Cutlets were yummy. Say yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah? The size, your size. Chuti butter bottle. Butter bottle for my butter. Chuti butter. Here. That's for you. Thank you. Say thank you. Enjoy. I'll see you soon. Come home. I'll cook for you. What will you make, darling? You'll make an omelette. An egg omelette. Huh? With coconut oil when I come next time. Let's enjoy coconut oil, okay? Okay. Say welcome. Come on home. Okay, darling. Onna, he's going to make cheese omelette for me when I come home. Ne? Okay. Come, darling. I'll take a few after, okay? Smile. Thank you. Come in. Get closer, sweetheart. Get closer, get closer. Someone. Get closer. Smile. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, ma'am. Ayah, stop. Topi nawa, datte innone, malli vettare. Onna. Thank you. Thank you. Hi. Yes. Come on, carry you. Wait. Come here. Smile. Come here. Let me go. Smile. Thank you. Thank you. Pretty princess. Come, get your. Big smile.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We'll take a selfie. Come, let me selfie. Yeah?
Oh, great. Thank you. Apne bhai.
There you go. Big smile. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
No, I like that. Come on, come. Thank you. Hi, my sweetie.